Hi friends, welcome back to Programmer Guide YouTube channel. So in last video we have discussed about the by predicate. Now we will go and see the by function, what is the functionalities of that and how it is going to be worked out. See, the by function is a predefined functional interface and it takes the two input arguments and perform the operation and returns as a object as a result. Okay, suppose as you know, right, function is going to be take the one input argument t and r, but by function means it is going to be take the two input arguments t u and returns the r value. If you see the syntax here, right, you understand. See, this is the predefined functional interface by function t and u r. Okay, see, it has having the abstract method apply and returns the object. Okay, see, in function and by function the only difference is function takes the single input argument and returns the object, and here it is going to take the two input arguments and returns the object. And also by function is having the and then function chaining method. Okay, what and then it is written is and then returns the composed function and first applies the function to the input and applies to the after function. Okay, that means, so for example, if you see, right, f1 is the function 1 and then f2 apply object 1 comma object 2, whatever we are going to apply the method, right. First the apply method is going to be work on the f1 and then it is going to be work on the f2, but whatever the function is having, right, like compose method, by function is not having the compose. We will go see the examples. See, this is the one of the example. I have written the by function string and string is the input arguments and going to return the output as a integer. See, what I am trying to do is I am trying to concat the string 1 and string 2 and finding the length. So suppose, right, when our requirement is like two input arguments and return the object, so such a times we can go for the by function. See, if you see, right, the length of the both the strings is 29 and I have written the one custom object. Integer is going to be take one input and string is the another input and returning the student as the object. I have declared here student which is having the id and name. Okay, here, right, in by function I am trying to create the new object. See, in our real time scenarios, right, we are going to get this stream of objects, flow of iterative objects. Once it is going to iterate, right, it is going to be written as student as the output. Such a case we can apply this also. Okay, here, right, it is not a restriction for the two in only creating the one object. We can create the multiple objects here. See, here by function and applying the name and id and name. Okay, so the output is going to be id and name, object is going to be created. Such a way you can use the by function in our real time programming. Okay, and also we can see the by function and then example. See, and then means first it need to be applied whenever you are having the multiple operations, right, to change the functions we can use the and then. See, and then, and here I have taken the okay, I wanted to tell one thing. Okay, see, by function is always going to take the by function and function, not a by function. See, if you see the prototype of this, right, default by function and taking the two arguments and returning the value and then taking the function, it is not a by function like a by predicate. Okay, it is always going to take as a function as the second operator. Okay, that is the reason I have taken here. Okay, so now we will see, first is integer it is going to take and trying to add it. whatever the output it came, right, it is taking the output and returning that output. We will see the output, you will understand. See 900, that means 10 plus 20 equals to 30. 30 is the input argument and it is taking the 30 into 30 and returning the integer. So 900 is the output. Such a way, right, in your real time scenarios, whenever you want to use the BiFunction, you can use in this way. Okay, if you like content of the video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Further more videos on the technical concepts of the Java and Java frameworks. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel.